Okay, part 6. The guy just ran, like, didn't run us over. It's just like bringing like slush all over our faces. Like he just don't care. Oh, he just did it to that car too. Yeah, Andy's on his cell phone. Nothing better than winter driving, slippery roads, with people on the cell phone. Nothing much better. Can't get better than that, Dad. I like how it's still winter though. No, I would pass on that part. People subscribe. See more winter videos. No, this isn't the exit. I know it's hard to tell, but no, it's not. This is exit 3. Wonder how that highway is. Oh, that's sad. Oh, whoa, what's going on? Oh, he's either broken down or he's going to help that person. Because that's like, you can't get in there. Oh no, so this is going to be like winter? Yeah, stay behind this plow truck, but not too close. Man, I love winter. Except it's not winter. It's only fall. Fall Halloween. I don't think this is gonna melt. I like how you're in halfway the broken down lane and half not.
I'm following the tracks up
The plow truck? Yeah, once I don't even think he's plowing. He's not plowing, Dad. Yes, he is plowing. He's only really. Wow, I couldn't tell because the tracks are still like messed up.
They got things lifted off the road, so when they hit a pothole, they don't get killed.
I bet you that guy is. He gets a snowy situation, he just puts down his plow and like goes. Oh, you can't follow him no more. This isn't your exit. This isn't your exit. Sucks to be you. I wonder how the highway is over there. I'm like kind of scared to get off this exit. Do you have your seatbelt on? Do I got my seatbelt on? Yeah. What? This is a seatbelt.
Okay,
Oh crap! Don't hit the car.
what's this say?
He's skinned out. Oh, road work. Don't die, lady. I don't think there's gonna be road work. You never know, actually. That's a cell phone tower. That's some beautiful trees. Where's my phone? I gotta send a picture to Mom.
She sent you a text message.
Yeah, I know. She sent it a long time ago.
What do you want?
She sent me a picture of her in a Smurf costume for her work. This isn't normal. It's snowing this early. Hey, AAA. If you ever get broken down like right here, you just hop up. No, I'm kidding. Just hop off and run over there. Yeah, I know they won't. Oh, I love that sound. You see how the snow situation is. Let me catch a snowflake. Oh, that's getting on me. Oh my gosh. Okay, I caught one. I don't think these got smaller. Then it's an ice ball. I don't know, but a bunch went up my sleeve. Don't die. My blessings. Speedy Gonzalez. At 20 miles an hour. Woohoo! We're cruising. Cruising down this highway. Whoa, God.
In my way.
Wow, I like how you run over that, but it doesn't make any sound. But when you run over a little bit, it makes a bunch of sound. Ooh, tunnel. Costco's Taco. Bet 19. What? That shovel? Yeah, probably. I don't know why you want to go to Costco's. Why do you want to go to Costco's?
You said you wanted to go.
I do want to go. Because it's not going to stop snowing until 4 o'clock in the morning, if anything later. $25. The other ones are $21. How much gas do you have? Oh, okay, good. Gas meter. Right. Flat truck. Yeah, stay behind this truck as he's hitting the curb and stuff.